In recent years, sustainability has become an important consideration for businesses across all industries, and the restaurant industry is no exception. By adopting eco-friendly practices, you not only help the environment but also reduce costs and increase efficiency. So, let's get started on how to develop a sustainable and eco-friendly restaurant business model. Conduct a sustainability audit. The first step towards building a sustainable and eco-friendly restaurant is to conduct a sustainability audit. This involves assessing your restaurant's energy and water usage, waste management practices, and the sourcing of your food ingredients. This audit helps you identify areas where you can improve and create an action plan to implement changes. Reduce energy and water usage. Reducing your restaurant's energy and water usage is a crucial step towards building a sustainable and eco-friendly restaurant. You can reduce energy usage by using energy-efficient appliances, installing LED lights, and turning off equipment when not in use. Installing low-flow faucets and toilets and fixing leaks can significantly reduce water usage. Implement waste management practices. Waste management is another critical aspect of developing an eco-friendly restaurant business model. You can start by using reusable or biodegradable containers, eliminating single-use plastics, and composting organic waste. Consider donating excess food to local food banks or partnering with organizations that help redistribute surplus food. Source sustainable ingredients. Sourcing sustainable ingredients is a great way to reduce your restaurant's environmental impact. Choose ingredients that are locally sourced, in season, and organic. This helps support local farmers, reduces transportation emissions, and minimizes the use of harmful chemicals and pesticides. Market your eco-friendly restaurant. Once you have implemented eco-friendly practices in your restaurant, it's important to let your customers know about it. Use social media platforms to showcase your eco-friendly practices, highlight your sustainable menu items, and share your sustainability goals. This not only attracts customers who care about the environment but also helps to build your restaurant's reputation as an eco-friendly establishment. Developing a sustainable and eco-friendly restaurant business model is not only beneficial for the environment but also for your business. It helps reduce costs, improve efficiency, and attract customers who value sustainability. By implementing these steps, you can create a more sustainable and profitable restaurant. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to develop a sustainable and eco-friendly restaurant business model. By Jayanti Kathal.